Millions of pieces of fried chicken are prepared every week.
This is where large-scale fried chicken production begins.
Every batch starts with fresh chicken.
The chicken is kept at strict temperatures.
Workers inspect the chicken carefully.
The chicken is sorted and portioned.
Precision blades divide each bird.
Each piece is separated automatically.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Size and weight are measured.
Only the correct portions move forward.
Next comes the seasoning stage.
The famous seasoning blend is prepared.
Precise measurements are critical.
Each piece must be evenly coated.
Now the chicken is ready for breading.
Now the chicken moves into the breading line.
This is where the crispy coating begins.
The flour mixture contains herbs and spices. Machines ensure every surface is covered. Excess flour is removed.
The coating must be perfectly balanced.
Some pieces receive a second coating.
This creates the famous crispy texture.
Next comes the frying stage. Where the magic really happens.
These fryers cook hundreds of pieces at once.
Hot oil seals the crispy coating.
The temperature is carefully controlled.
Timers ensure perfect cooking.
The coating turns golden brown. Oil circulates continuously.
This keeps the oil clean and fresh.
Once cooked, the baskets rise automatically.
Perfectly fried chicken moves to the next stage.
Freshly fried chicken exits the fryer.
The pieces are transferred to draining conveyors. Excess oil drips away.
Ventilation systems remove heat and steam.
The chicken begins to cool slightly.
Cooling helps preserve the crispy texture.
The pieces continue through the cooling tunnel.
Sensors track temperature changes.
The chicken must remain perfectly cooked.
Next comes quality inspection.
Every batch is carefully inspected. Color indicates proper frying. Pieces that don't meet standards are removed. Only perfect pieces continue forward. The production line moves continuously. Thousands of pieces are processed every hour. Next comes the packaging stage. Containers are prepared automatically. The chicken is placed into trays. Ready for the final step.
Now the fried chicken reaches the packaging line.
Containers are prepared automatically. Each tray receives a measured portion. The containers move quickly along the line. Workers perform final visual checks. The boxes are closed securely. Each package is labeled. Orders are sorted automatically. Large orders are grouped together. Now the products move to the warehouse. Robots help move the shipments. The pallets are wrapped for transport. Each pallet is scanned and tracked. Forklifts move the pallets to loading docks. Delivery trucks wait outside. Pallets are loaded for distribution. These shipments travel across the country. Soon they will reach restaurants everywhere, where they will be served to millions of customers.
And that's how fried chicken is prepared on a massive scale.